Hey, Roger here from Roger's Hot Rod Garage. Look, I just came back from America, back in Germany right now, and a little problem I have is antique fishing reel collection. So I picked up these in a place called Sarasota slash Venice Beach, getting ready to hang them up. And if you don't think I got a therapy problem, check this out right here. I don't know, count them. If you get done with that, I'm probably at about 250, maybe even 300. And it keeps on going back here. Like, subscribe, and share.